Welcome to the assembly video of the MagRack X2 Max, tire mount and 2-bike hitch rack. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble it and how to use it. Let's get started. Open the box and you find a rack set and all the parts needed for assembly. You'll also need an open wrench or an electric wrench. First, install the rack base into the receiver. Make sure to tighten the bolt on the pin lock here. Install the U-shaped shock absorption to reduce vibrations. Next step is the bent arm assembly. Now that you've completed the assembly, let's check how it functions. The adjustable wheel holder and lever can fit different wheels. Push freely to lock automatically. Press the button to unlock before loosening it. It has a quick fold handle which helps you fold it when it's not in use. You can also tilt it back to open the rear door without removing the bike. Let's load the bikes, the heavier one on the inside. Tire mounts fix the bike securely by the tires and avoid scratching the frame. Nice and secure.